All right. All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are connected from. My name is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I'm streaming right here from Dallas, Texas. I want to welcome you to today's trading, where we trade for 30 minutes. It's called 30 Minutes Traders. So if you are watching me, please kindly introduce yourself. Where are you connecting from? A little bit of a disclaimer. Whatever I'm doing here is for educational purpose only. I'm not your financial advisor, and I'm not telling you what to do with your money. Please understand that trading involves risk, and do not trade or invest with money you cannot afford to lose. We don't plan to lose, but at the same time, only what you can control in trading is your loss. Okay, you cannot control the day, you cannot control the weather, the wind. So, having said that, today, by His grace, we are going to be trading Nasdaq once again. It could be a losing day and it could be a winning day. Okay, you are responsible for your action, for the outcome of your trade. I'm just showing you what I am doing from here, and you can copy what I am doing, and I believe it will make sense for you at the end of the day. So let's quickly take a look. This is Nasdaq. Let's see what we got. We are here right now. It looks like we're going to be, Nasdaq, we're going to be buying it again today. There was a news this morning. Let me bring out sorry, give me a minute. Lost my window. Sorry, guys, just a minute. When you are working with different screen, sometimes you gotta like, come on now, where is this system freezing? Okay, can you see my screen, please? Going to, okay. Give me a minute, guys. Sorry. Don't know why this system is just, I guess because I have so many things going on over it. Okay. I think it's okay now. Let me share my screen once again. The market is about to open. We have 4 minutes. So I'm sharing my screen. Kindly introduce yourself, where you are connected from. All right. Okay. I think StreamYard needs to update their system. Okay. All right. So can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen? Awesome. Okay. So I'm on 1 minute right now. So what we try to do, my playbook is I trade the breakout, retest, and continuation. But then let's quickly take a look from 15 minutes. Let's see what the market has done this morning. There was an unemployment news this morning by 7:30 my time, and the market didn't really move as expected. So anything can happen right now. Okay, please, if you can see my screen, please do me a favor, type yes on that chat window. Type yes if you are watching on YouTube, or you are connected here on Facebook, or you are in the studio with me. Type yes. Okay, awesome. So right now, this is 15 minutes. As you can see, we have the high, we have the low. So I'm expecting this trend line here to break. If this trend line breaks, we are going up. We're going to be buying right there. Okay, if that trend line breaks, and this one, if it breaks downward, we're going to be going, we're going to be, shorting the market. Now, this is the high of yesterday, and the low of yesterday is still way down. So I'm looking at this market that even though right now it looks like it's setting up to sell, actually. You see, we have this down. This is looking like a retracement. So I'm going to go to 1 minute. So on 1 minute, as I said, what I do is I take the high and the low of my first candle. Okay, the high and the low of the first candle. So once I have that breakout, based on my strategy here, you can see that we have my oscillators is saying buying. This is saying buying. Here we are having buy kind of signal. So then let's see. Okay, the market is open. I'm going to wait for that first 1 minute play out. Okay, I'm going to wait for the first 1 minute play out. So this now, this I'm going to be waiting for the first 1 minute. You don't want to FOMO. Okay, you don't want to be chasing the market. Okay, you don't want to be chasing the market at all. So just let it play out. Let it play out. It's okay. If it serves off, it is okay. Don't think, oh, I'm missing. What is going on here? Now we break this. So what I would be expecting is for the market to come back to retest that trend line that it breaks. Okay. So I'll be waiting for that. I'll be waiting for this to come back to retest. Okay. It's okay. I'm not going to be FOMO it, as I said. I'm not going to be FOMO. I'm not going to be like, okay, yeah, what is going on here? No. I'm going to be waiting to see, let it come back to retest. Just allow. Okay, so now we have over here, this is the high of that first 1 minute candle. And this is the low of that first 1 minute candle. So it's breaking out now, which is good, but I will wait for a retest. I will wait for a retest. Let's see the calendar. This is the calendar right here. I think I need to update this. My system is freezing. Okay, so you can see Thursday, that's unemployment 219. It's not too good for the currency, USD, because it's greater than the forecast. So that's why we're having that reaction right now. Let's come back. Okay, so retest, as you can see, it retests, but then you don't want the body to retest or to go inside this. You don't want the body to go inside. Okay, so it comes inside, so no more selling for me. I'm going to be waiting to see. I wonder why this thing is showing up here. Come on. Okay. Over here, if it comes back up here, we're going up. You see this? Okay. It's like it respects this trend line. This trend line is on 1 hour. That trend line is on 1 hour. Wonder why this thing is. Come on now. Okay, so it retests this trend line right here. It's on 1 hour, so it respected it. But then I'm waiting. Remember, this is the low and this is the high of my 1 minute candle. So right now, what I see is like this market is setting up to go back up. This is setting up to go back up. Okay, it's setting up to go back up. It's setting up to go back up. Is setting up to go back up. If you are watching this, do me a favor, kindly introduce yourself. Where are you watching us from? The room is a little bit quiet, so I just need music. Okay. So it might be going back. It might be going back. You see, this is still red. This is still under 50. That's our RSI. It's under 50. So let's see what's going to go on. Okay. So this looks like we're going back up, guys. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. You see? So let me remove this. I'm removing this one. So we are here. Okay, good. Let's see this. It's too loud. All right, let's see. Sorry, guys, trying to reduce the volume here. Okay, so see, it goes back up there, we test, and now it's coming back down. So this is what we call a ranging market, guys. This is a ranging market. So the moment you have that, you don't want to get caught. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to reduce the. Okay. So now we have. This is looking like it's. But then, okay, guys, let's see. I'm going to put a sir. Okay. If that candle closes down, even though, as I've always said, I try to control my selling of indices, because sometimes you sell like this, you just get stuck. So you don't want that to happen to you. Okay, you don't want that to happen to you. Niji from Dallas, how are you doing, sir? God bless you. So you can see from RSI, we are having a buying setup. But then the MACD, I'm waiting for this also to give me a green, but that is not mandatory. If I see the price action, because sometimes MACD could be lagging, so if I see the price action, this is an engulfing candle right there. But ladies and gentlemen, this is right now what we're having is a ranging market. So remember, not picking a trade is also a trade. You don't want to force the trade at all. You don't want to. So now what I'm going to do, I will go to first 5 minutes. So this is my first 5 minutes play out now. This is my first 5 minutes. So this is the high, this is the low. So what I'm expecting now is a breakout from either up or down of that. So if we have a breakout here, retest, then we're going up. If you have a breakout here, retest, then we are selling. So that is the plan. So this is a down, down, down. I'm going to take this risk, guys. With my moving average, the two red are under the purple. That look like a sir. But then this candle is confusing. This one here, you don't want that. So let's have this trend line like this. If it breaks there, then it's going down. But then it looks like it's going back up. It looks like it's going back up. Okay. So you want this breakout from here. This is a ranging market, guys. This is a ranging market. This is a ranging market. And anytime you have something of this nature, you want to be very careful. You don't want to place the trade anyhow. Remember, not putting a trade is also a trade. Not putting a trade is also a trade. So we're on 1 minute because of the session that I trade. So this 1 minute is just 1 minute could be a killer. So you have to make sure that you check what you are doing very, very well. You don't want to, get caught. Okay. By the way, I'm doing this week to celebrate my birthday. By His grace, this Saturday is going to be my birthday, and I'm just, giving praise to God for all He has done, for His sustenance, for keeping me. And talking about trading, I've been trading Forex since 2006. So I think this is 2025. So I would say that's like a 17, 18 years of birthday in trading. So, and on Saturday, just to celebrate with you, I'm going to be doing a special training on small accounts flipping mastery. Small account flipping mastery by 9 a.m. Central Time. And I'm going to be streaming live here on YouTube. So make sure if you are interested in growing a small account, you can start from $5, $10, $20, $100. I just want to, number one, it's going to be a challenge for me, myself, that training, because after the training, we're going to be taking a very small account size, like maybe $100, $50. Then we grow that account together. You can open your own, create your own account with your favorite broker, and we're going to do that for the next few months, and let's see how far we go. Then he said under 5 minutes, looks like we have double top, which I think is a sell market. But on the second thought, I will not trade this market because it's ranging. Yes, it's really ranging right now. So like you can see this is a ranging price action, and I won't be surprised if this market still sells. Okay, because if you go to 15 minutes, you see that there's more selling pressure. There's more selling pressure, but then this one here, this 34, you can see if it breaks out from here, I'm going to be pulling the trigger. I'm going to be selling. This is a sell, this is a sell. But then with what we have here now it's just ranging. So like Adeni said, you don't want to get caught in this kind of market, okay? So you have to wait. You have to wait. You have to wait. Let's wait. Okay, so it's setting up to go back up. You see, if you have sold now, you will be speaking a tongue. But then remember, this is our high. Okay, so now we have that breakout. We have that breakout. I need it to break out, then to come back to retest it. But remember, it might not come back. It might not come back. But here we have this green, we have this up here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to take my risk because this kind of market, it might not come back to retest. Okay, it might not come back to retest. It might not come back to retest. So, boom. It might now. If it's going to come back, it might push really, really hard. So I just pick small profit there. Now, what I'm expecting is this place to go to this end of day. I mean, a high of yesterday. So let's see if that will work out well. My stop loss is below here. My stop loss is below this candle that breakout. Okay. So even if it comes back to retest, this is where I'm expecting this to go to up here. Okay. But because the kind of market we have, you see, it can come back. Yeah. It can come back to retest here. But let's see. Let's see. Yeah. It has not retested, guys. So I'm not going to risk this too much. I'm going to cut this. There's no crime in taking profit early. Somebody will say, oh, you don't stay. Yeah, because number one, I'm trading with Apex, and Apex encourages you to scalp. It's called micro scalping. So you don't want the market to come, and just come and, bite you. So by Monday, we were green. Tuesday, we were green. Wednesday, we were green. And today is a small green, but then, of course, the day is still young. The day is still young. So let's see. Though it goes up, it comes inside. This looks like a 2B formation. 2B is when the direction of the market is, okay, like for instance, is going up, then the candlestick goes up and close inside of this. You see? So this looks like a 2B and it's a sign of a pulling back. So if it pulls back to this, remember this is our high. Okay, I will be expecting this to pull back here, then give me a nice setup to go back up here. But then it can just go up. We have three types of breakout. We have straight breakout, okay, which I don't like to trade. Then we have a fake out. Fake out is it breaks out, then it just fake you. You think it's a breakout, but it's not really a breakout. Then the one that I love to trade personally is a breakout, retest, and continuation. Breakout, retest, and continuation. So that is the one I love to trade because, like right now, if I didn't take that small profit, it's either it will take it back or we will be in a drawdown. So you don't want that. If you are trading on higher time frame, when I say higher time frame, now I'm talking about like 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Yes, I will put in my trade, I will put a stop loss, then I will put my take profit. Then I will be expecting the market to just, do its thing. But because 1 minute is the noise is too much. The noise is just too much on 1 minute. So, and that's why you have to always be very smart. You don't need to trade hard. You just need to trade smart. So right now we are having what is called a build up right here. So the market is building up. It's still going to go up. But then it's good as we take that our small profits. Okay. So let's see. By the way, if you are watching this, and if you are watching this on YouTube and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. And if you have any question, leave your questions at the comment section. I promise I will go through them and I will reply you. Once again, I'm just doing this live trading, not to show off to anybody, but just to, give back to the community and to give praise to God. By His grace, Saturday, I'm going to be a year older, or a year younger. So I'm just using this to, mark how far the Lord has helped me. I started trading Forex 2006. I can't believe it. That is 19 years. Wow. 19 years in this industry. 19 years of up and down, ups and downs, just like Forex graph, just like Forex curve. But above it all, the Lord has been faithful. The Lord has been faithful. So on Saturday, I'm going to be doing a special training. And that training, I call it Small Account Flipping Mastery. How you can flip accounts, start from $10 and grow it to 20, from 20 to 40, or start from 100 and take it to 200, and so on and so forth. Then I'm going to be showing you some strategies, 2-3 different strategies that you can use to trade that in Forex. And also, after that training, so the plan would be for as many that want to be part of the challenge, we just go create a small account. I will prefer a live account because the emotion that is attached to live account is different to the emotion that is attached to demo account. But if you want to do demo, you can do demo. But to be honest with you, demo doesn't speak well when it comes to that kind of a challenge because your emotion will not be fully into it. Okay, so we see this goes up, it comes back, and now it looks like it's going back up. The goal is for it to actually push to this high of yesterday. Okay, this HOD, this is previous day high. So that is where I'm targeting. So if this candle closes now positive, I will be going long and I will put my stop loss there. So let's see if that works out. But I'll wait first. It looks, because you remember what happened yesterday. If you are here yesterday with me, we put that kind of a trade on 1 minute, and immediately we put that trade, it just pulled back. So we don't want that to happen today. So let's see what happens. If it breaks that, I'm going to buy. Then my stop loss will be below this red candle. Okay. So, okay. The reason why I'm buying is everything here is telling me buy. So let's see. If I buy and it still come against me and closes negative, at least I follow my system. I follow my rule. So I'm expecting it to go up there. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Now there's this supply order block there. It can form a double top there and reverse. So because of the market will be having, I'm going to take that small profit. The reason I took that profit again is because when you look this, if I change this now to line chart, it can form like an M shape right there. I don't want that to form on me. Okay, so it looks like, okay, we're going up there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put that buy again, and let's see if it's okay. It has not fully mitigated it, but then everything here looks like we're going up. You see, RSI is up. All right, so come on, give me that. Take it up. take it up right there. Take it
Order
up right
filled.
there. Take it up right there. Come on, keep pushing. Don't come back down. If this closes right, I'm going to close my. I'm going to close that trade. But then it needs to push up. Come on. Come on now. No. Because remember I'm scalping. This is scalping, so I don't want to take that chance. Oh, come on now.
Order filled.
He just took some of our profit for the day. Okay, we're still green. We're still green. I'm expecting this to push up, but instead it came back to sweep that. And let's see. So let's look at 5 minutes. Let's see what is going on here. Mr. Niyi, yes, I trade NASDAQ and gold purely for futures. Just for futures markets. If it's Forex, I trade gold majorly. And depends on the accounts and the instruments they have and the leverage. But for futures market, yes, I trade majorly NASDAQ most of the time. All right, so let me see what's going on. I have this trade on platinum that has been ranging and ranging. So this looks like we're still going up, but then it was just whining me right there. So okay, so we're here. Let's see. Okay, so let's see if it's grow. Give us another setup right there. Then we go back up. But then this is looking like a divergence now to me. You see, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is forming like an M. Okay, so let's see. Okay. What a market this morning. So after this session, what I will do is I will just go back to 5 minutes. That's where I will be looking for setup. Okay. But this is 30 minutes traders. Basically, what we do is trade together for 30 minutes, but that doesn't mean that the day has ended. But that is the time that I stream. I know there are people that stream all day long. I do a lot of things than for me to just be on streaming. And it's not easy. It's not an easy thing. Teaching, streaming, trading. There's a lot of things going on at the same time. So, but the goal is to come together like this at the market opening. And sometimes I don't even trade for the first 30 minutes if I'm trading all by myself. So the first 30 minutes, as you can see, the market is doing its own thing. It's just up and down, up and down. So it's after now, you will now see a very clear direction. So I'm removing this. Let me see what's the bigger picture. So this is the low here. So I believe we are done here. We're done with this line. I just want to see my chart. So what I'm going to do now, by 9 o'clock, let's see what is happening on 1 hour. So it's still going up. So this is 1 hour trend line. I'm going to remove that also. So you see it's up, pull back. It looks like it's going back up. This is 1 hour chart. See? So this is 1 hour chart. This is up, but it's trying to form an indecision candle right there. I don't know if you can see that. 1 hour is trying to form an indecision candle. So with that, so this is the, okay, so the first 30 minutes of the market now, we have this as the up, which it didn't make it to the previous day high. Then this is the low of the first 30 minutes. Okay, that's the first 30 minutes. But then when you look here, 15 minutes, we can still feel that wick right there, except it's coming back down. So on 15 minutes, if we have that, so on 15 minutes, we can have that. Then if you go to 5 minutes, 5 minutes also is setting up for up, and it can reverse. Okay. So yeah, one alert somewhere. Okay. So that's 5 minutes. You can see it's coming back. Can come to that, then give us another. Okay, so let's go back to 1 minute that we're using. So 1 minute, it respected this. Let's see if it's going back up. Okay. Well, it looks like this market is just going to continue ranging and ranging for a while. But then it's a beautiful morning. It's not a big winning day, but at the same time, it's not a losing day. So Monday was green, Tuesday was green, Wednesday was green. Today, Thursday is also green. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for being here. This is how we do it. Okay, this is how we do it. You don't have to be great to get started, but you just have to start to be great. And if you, I mean, this is one around something dollars. If you multiply by 20 accounts, that is a lot. So what we do with features is that you copy. Okay, you use copier to copy. So once you copy your trade, then you just leverage with the power of that copier. Okay. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow.